In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the inbox layout in Proton Mail. Now, for those of you who might be new to Proton Mail, it's a secure email service known for its strong focus on privacy and security. Customizing the layout of your inbox can make your email experience more enjoyable and efficient, so let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to open up Proton Mail in your web browser. Simply navigate to the Proton Mail website and log into your account as you normally would. Once you're logged in and looking at your inbox, the next step is to locate the settings options. In the upper right corner of the page, you'll find the settings icon. It usually looks like a gear or a small cogwheel. Click on this icon to open the settings menu. After clicking on the settings icon, you'll see a menu with several options. Look for the one that says All Settings and go ahead and click on it. This will take you to the main settings page where you can make a variety of adjustments to your account and mailbox. Once you're on the main settings page, you need to find and click on the Messages and Composing section. This section contains all the settings related to how your emails are displayed and how you compose new messages. It's a great place to explore if you want to tweak more than just the layout of your inbox. Now that you're in the Messages and Composing section, you should see an option labeled Layout. This is where you can customize how your inbox looks. Proton Mail offers different layouts to choose from, such as a single pane view or a split pane view. The single pane view is straightforward and presents your emails in a list, while the split pane view shows your list of emails on one side and the content of the selected email on the other. Choose the layout that best suits your needs. Changing the layout is as simple as clicking on the option you prefer, and Proton Mail will automatically update to reflect your choice. Feel free to experiment with different layouts until you find the one that feels right for you. And there you have it. You've successfully customized your Proton Mail inbox layout. If you have any questions or run into issues while following these steps, don't hesitate to reach out to Proton Mail support for further assistance. Customizing your inbox layout can help streamline your email process, making it easier to focus on what's important. Thanks for watching and enjoy your newly personalized email experience.